Hi friends, hope you all are safe. Today let's discuss something about some original initiatives in India or the first time introductories in India. So how many of us know about first newspaper in India? It is Bengal Gazette. It was an English language newspaper which is published uh, once in a week on Saturday, every Saturday, and it was founded by an Irishman James Augustus Hickey, and it was published for 2 years, that is between 1780 and 1782. The next one is the first vernacular newspaper in India, which is Samachar Darpan. The earlier one was the first ever newspaper in India, and this is the first vernacular newspaper in India. Vernacular means the language spoken in a particular area. So Samachar Darpan was the first vernacular newspaper in India. It was a Bengali weekly newspaper, and it was published by Marshmam, and it was published on 23rd May 1818. Now comes to the first Hindi newspaper, which is Udan Matan. It was started on 30th May 1826 from Calcutta, and this was again a weekly newspaper which was published every Tuesday, and it was started by Pandit Jugal Kishore Shukla. The first ever silent movie in India, that is Raja Harishchandra. It was directed and produced by Dada Saheb Phalke. We all know that Dada Saheb Phalke is the highest award which is given in the movie industry for the actors. And this movie released on 21st April 1913. And some film historians consider that first silent movie was Sri Pundalik. But the government of India recognizes Harishchandra as the first Indian feature film. The first Taki movie was Alam Ara. It is an Indian Hindustani language historical fantasy film which was directed and produced by Ardeshir Irani, and it was released on 14th March 1931. The first biosphere reserve in India is Nilgiri. Nilgiri Biosphere reserves the areas which are located in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Karnataka. It was established in 1986. The reserve encompasses total around 5,520 kilometers. The first national park in India, it is Haley National Park, and it is also called as Jim Corbett National Park. It was established in 1936, and this national park is located in Uttarakhand, and it is famous for Royal Bengal tiger, and it also has some enriching species of flora and fauna. The first telegraph line is from Diamond Harbour to Kolkata. It was started by the British East India Company in October 1851. The first hydroelectric project in India is Sidrapong. Sidrapong hydroelectric project is located in Darjeeling town. It was started on 10th November 1897. The first international telephone service is from Mumbai to London. It was started in 1851, and it was opened for the use of British East India Company. The first aircraft carriage warship is INS Vikrant. INS Vikrant, it was taken from Sanskrit word Vikranta, which means courageous. It was a majestic class aircraft carrier of the Indian Navy, and it was commissioned on 4th March 1961, and later it decommissioned on 31st January 1997. The first satellite launched in India was Aryabhatta. It was launched on 19th April 1975. It was completely designed and fabricated in India, and it was launched by Soviet Cosmos 3M rocket from Kapustin Yar. The first nuclear reactor in India is Apsara. It was designed by Baba Atomic Research Center with assistance from United Kingdom. It first went critical on 4th August 1956. The first court, which is exclusively dedicated for women in India, is situated in Malda, which is in West Bengal state. This court would hear all cases of atrocities against women for delivering speedy justice. The first technology park in India is Technopark, which is located in Thiruvananthapuram. It was established on 18th November 1990 by Government of Kerala, and it is the largest IT park in India in terms of the developed area. When was the first population census recorded in India? It is in the year 1872. So these are the some of the aspects which are first ever in India. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Stay safe and stay healthy.